No, I don't have time to relax. Today we need to find out how I can be a magician.
Isn't magic lame?
If magic is lame, then why do you have a quarter in your hologram?
What? Get the fuck out of here. Wow.
Exactly. Okay. Go ahead, pick a card. I will now turn these cards into 56 different extinct animals. I believe this is your card. Enjoy being left behind. I'm not ready. I don't have a wand or an assistant. I really only needed one of each.
How about your next trick is not complaining for one?
If you thought I was any old magician, I hate to burst your balloon. End of trick. The real magic was in you the whole time. Now clap. Tricks aren't enough. I have to be likable? That's impossible. I wish I'd never learned magic. Ta-da!
Yo, check it out. Trash magic.
And the bouquet that turns into doves, that then turns into pterodactyls. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da!
Come on.
Do what I want. Leave me alone.